Hi, my name is Joe Edwards, Sales Associate here at Country Diesels, bringing you this edition of our Pick of the Week. The truck is one of our very own Country Diesels custom builds, 2017 GMC Sierra 2500 SLT Z71 with the Duramax diesel, and it's loaded out. Let's check it out. First, before getting to the custom build features, this truck is a crew cab, short bed in the rare pepper dust metallic color. The factory options include a 6.6 liter L5P Duramax diesel powerhouse matched to the Allison transmission. It has a factory Z71 off-road package, chrome grille, front and rear bumpers, mirrors, and door trim, wide full-length running boards, front and rear parking sensors, spray and bed liner, rear backup camera, and much more. On the inside, and as an SLT, this Sierra includes heated and cooled leather bucket seats, GMC Intellect with voice command, 8-inch touchscreen display with GPS navigation, built-in 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bose premium sound, satellite radio, USB, and aux inputs, wireless phone charging, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and much more. This truck has it all. As a Country Diesels custom build, we have added the new 3-inch FabTech front leveling kit with upper control arms with heavy-duty 1-inch uniballs and FabTech performance shocks. Then we added these 22-inch fuel off-road Maverick wheels in the matte black with the machine lip. This truck is unique. It's loaded out and is in pristine condition, so come check it out today. We gladly accept trades of all kinds, so give us a call or come by our store to see it for yourself. Plus, you can click on the link below to learn more about the specific truck or schedule a test drive. Be sure to follow Country Diesel on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates of our freshest inventory right in your newsfeed. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon.